In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload CSV file on Salesforce. We'll use Salesforce's data import wizard to bring in a CSV of leads. I'll walk you through each click and also share helpful context so you know why you're doing what you're doing and how to avoid common pitfalls. Start on your Salesforce homepage in Lightning Experience. Open the Quick Settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the top right, then choose the Advanced Setup area. This takes you to the Setup workspace, which is where Salesforce keeps tools like the Data Import Wizard. In the Setup sidebar, use the search bar and type Import. From the results, open Data Import Wizard. This is the built-in guided experience for bringing data into standard objects like leads, contacts, and accounts. It handles mapping your CSV columns to Salesforce fields and can also help with duplicate checking, so it's great for straightforward imports. On the Data Import Wizard page, click Import My Data, then click Start to begin the guided flow. Next, pick the object you want to import into. For this walkthrough, we're bringing in leads, so select Leads and continue. You'll see a prompt related to where your data is coming from. Choose Other Companies to cover generic CSVs that aren't coming from a predefined source, then proceed to the next step. If you don't already have a CSV prepared, you can click the option that says you don't have a .csv file yet. This helps you understand the format Salesforce expects. It's useful to preview a sample so you can mirror the columns and make sure your headers are clear and match the fields you plan to map. When you're ready with your own file, switch to the option that says you have a .csv file. Go to the next screen and click Upload Files. You can drag and drop your CSV onto the panel or use the file picker to select it from your computer. If you see another Upload Files prompt, confirm your selection so Salesforce takes the file. After your CSV finishes uploading, click Next. A few practical tips as you prepare your CSV. Make sure the first row contains clean descriptive headers that align to Salesforce fields such as company, last name, first name, email, and phone. Remove any formulas and merge cells. Export your spreadsheet to a plain CSV format. Keep dates in a consistent format that Salesforce can parse, like YYYYMMDD. If you have pickless fields, use values that exactly match what exists in Salesforce. For country and state, follow the same spelling and abbreviations used in your org. If you're concerned about duplicates, include unique identifiers where possible, such as email for leads. Also, keep your file size and row count reasonable for the wizard. If you're importing a very large dataset or need complex transformations, consider splitting the file into smaller batches. Once your file is uploaded and you've moved forward, Salesforce will guide you to review your field mappings. This is where you confirm that each CSV column lands in the correct Salesforce field. Pay special attention to required fields for leads, like last name and company, and verify that emails and phone numbers are in valid formats. If a column doesn't have a natural home, you can map it to a custom field or leave it unmapped if it's not needed. When your mappings look good, continue through the prompts to confirm your choices. The wizard will summarize what it's about to do, let it run, and then review the results. If anything doesn't look right, you can adjust your CSV or mappings and try again with a small test file before importing a larger list. That's it. You've navigated from Home, Open Setup, launched the Data Import Wizard, selected leads, reviewed the CSV options, uploaded your file, and advanced to the mapping and confirmation steps. Follow these guidelines and you'll have a clean, accurate lead import with minimal cleanup afterward.